We're on the first floor of the Rough Riders Hotel in Medora, North Dakota. And tonight we're gonna be taking a tour of room 114. So let's see what we got. Let's get some lights going in here. Focus camera, there we go. So starting off, we have the evacuation map. This is the quote unquote tower wing, but it's only 3 floors. Security features, we have the latch, and then the deadbolt, do not disturb magnet. And then there's the peephole. There's also an ADA peephole as well. Let's come in here and get a look at the bathroom. This is actually an ADA accessible room, so this is a actual walk-in shower. I like how it has a light in here. The attention to detail is pretty nice as well. The ADA accessory right there, I guess that's just a seat. Oh, it's got one of these, nice. All around, I mean, it's a nice looking shower. It's got towels, it's got complimentary shampoo and stuff. This is a hair dryer, it appears. We got more towels over here. We have a sewing kit, makeup remover wipe, shoe mitt, bar soap, and then the sink. Water pressure's good. We have hand body wash and lotion, trash can, tissues, and then the commode. We got a good stock of towels and washcloths up here as well, extra toilet paper. So all around, this bathroom looks pretty nice and spacious. Hey there. Let's come out and get a look at the rest of the place here. So here's the rest of the room itself. We have a 2 queen, as you can see. It definitely gives off that old-fashioned vibe, and definitely the Wild West vibe. Because Medora is a really tiny town in the middle of nowhere, North Dakota. But it's close to Theodore Roosevelt National Park, but the vibes definitely gives off Wild Western vibes. So in here is a closet with an iron board, laundry bag, some extra shelf space, and a bunch of hangers up here as well. We have the ice container and some plastic cups. The TV remote, it looks like. Channels guide. Information about the hotel and the restaurant, it looks like. We have coffee making supplies and tea as well. There's the coffee maker. Good amount of drawers. We've got a mini fridge right here, which looks pretty adequately sized. Good amount of drawers. We have an LG TV. It's a little on the old-fashioned side, but I don't think this hotel has been through that many renovations. So, yeah. We have, must be a book about the town, I'm guessing. Yeah. There's all my stuff. We got a floor lamp, chair with a bear stuffed animal. Like the attention to detail there. Looking outside, you really don't get much of a view because of this pine tree in the way, but the lobby's right over there. So get a look over here at the nightstand. However, these lights are controlled like that. We got 3 outlets, an alarm clock, contact the front desk. We got a Holy Bible in here. Pretty nice nightstand overall. And then the beds, I'm gonna go ahead and take my shoes off and we're gonna test the comfiness. This mattress is surprisingly comfy, and this pillow's nice and soft as well. Checking for cleanliness. Nothing really noticeable at the moment. So yeah, I mean, these beds are nice and comfy as well. I mean, all around, the vibes are pretty good. I kind of expected a bit more of a Wild West vibe, given this town's theme. But still, this room does pretty well. And for such a small town, it seems to be pretty well managed, cleanliness-wise. So yeah, definitely a different experience compared to all the chain hotels that I've stayed at. But still, all around, I'm so far liking this room. I do think there could be some upgrades like this TV, but you're in the middle of nowhere, North Dakota, so what do you expect? But all the other amenities provided seem pretty nice. And the bathroom, I like the walk-in shower as well. Oh yeah, and here's the thermostat. But yeah, I don't know if I've got much more to show about this room, so if you find yourself in Medora, I'd say it's worth a try to give this place a shot. Pretty good value, nice rooms. So yeah, I think that's going to go ahead and conclude this video. Thank you all for watching. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't done so already. It's free and you can always change your mind later. But with that said, I'll catch you all in the next one. Bye, y'all.